If you're watching this on March 10th, you better listen. This DeWalt cordless miter saw is just $5.99 on Daily Deal. Now it doesn't end there. It comes with an 8 amp hour power pack battery and charger. It's a $300 battery and charger kit alone, and they're including this. So the saw splits at 404 and the battery ends up being 196. So you're getting the 12-inch cordless dual bevel miter saw for $404. I haven't seen it cheaper than this. You guys better run. Follow the deal groups on Facebook, Lowe's Penny Deals and clearancefinds.com. As always, I put the product links in my bio.